I'm gonna make a drone tour today. Hey, welcome back. So I'm here another day in Bohol. I actually moved a little bit more to the south to explore a little bit more of the sites. Now I'm walking to a cave pool. I have really no idea what I'm gonna see, but yeah, we're gonna find out. Ready to swim. Alrighty, let's go. So the first swim was already really nice, but there should be like another cave pool where you can swim, and let's check that out. So unfortunately that hole behind me is also like a cave where you can swim in, but that one is closed. Just look at it, it's stunning, beautiful, it's blue crystal clear, and I would love to jump in. So these were the two cave pools. They're called Cabagnow Cavepool, and they're very close to Anda, so it's like just a few minutes to go. Now I'm jumping back on my favorite vehicle, my scooter. Try to go to some Rice Terraces. We'll see how I make it there. Unfortunately my GoPro battery went out, so there will be no footage of my driving. But yeah, hopefully some nice pictures of the terraces. This road is going up and down and up and down, all the way through the beautiful nature and the stones. And I think I have to stop a few more times because I'm always seeing something and I'm like, oh wow, that's amazing, I want to take a photo or take whatever video of that. Yeah, I'm completely alone here. Nobody's here. Nobody. Woo! I'm driving through really small villages. Well, all the people are so nice. Kids were giving me high fives on the way. Everybody is screaming at me like, hello, hello, mister. That feeling I had like 4 years ago when I was in Lombok. That was really nice, and yeah, just enjoying it. Maybe I'm gonna fly the drone now, let's see. And yeah, just another stop that I had to make. Beautiful rice field with palm trees combination. But just amazing. I love it. I think I'm gonna make a drone tour today, so probably a few more stops and drone flying. Still on my way to the rice fields viewpoint. I'm a little bit exhausted because the road is very steep here right now, and very much fun. I have to admit, but if you want to go here, you should be really comfortable driving a scooter. Yeah, and now I'm going up there. Let's go. So what do you think about the Rice Terraces? Yep, no Rice Terraces. I just ran randomly into something else. I actually found a waterfall, what I read only about, and I mistakenly just drove to the spot where the waterfall is, and that's actually the highest waterfall in Bohol. So that was it from the waterfall, and the sun is going down a little bit over there, and now we're looking for some nice spot to get a view on the Rice Terraces, and then I really need to head back because it's also far away where I'm going. I would have loved to fly the drone a little bit more around the waterfall, but yeah, I need the battery for the rice field. So I think there's a problem with the road. I have to take the detour. I made it to the Rice Terraces. Now I'm really enjoying the last minutes of the sun and taking the last minutes of the battery of my drone to fly a little bit above the Rice Terraces. So that's really it for today. I really enjoyed the drone flying over the Rice Terraces and hope you liked it too. And I just have to say, like all the way I keep driving here, we had bumpy roads. It was really fun to drive around there, what you couldn't see. But also the people that I met here on the way, they're really nice. Everybody's waving, everybody's just saying hi. And yeah, it's really nice. Now you can see here's a beautiful sunset and a beautiful valley. It's just a spot where I had to hold again. And yeah, I hope you like my videos. Please leave a thumbs up there if you like it. If you don't like it, please leave a thumbs up there. And put your comments in the section what you think about it. And yeah, please subscribe so you don't miss out on the next things. I also did some videos about Cebu, like what you can do in Mobile and stuff, so check out my old videos. And I'm gonna be soon in Malapascua for a new adventure to go to see the treasure shark. And if you haven't heard about the treasure shark, just type in treasure shark hunting. I think it's an amazing way how that animal moves. I never seen, like, it's an unnatural way for a shark, I think, to move like that. Yeah, just keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.